socks on the bedroom floor. Moonlight painting stars on the door. You hug your blanket, hold it tight. Kitty curls beside you for the night. Dreams with my little cat. Close my eyes, we fly like that. Over clouds, so soft, so high. Paws and hands across the sky. Dreams with my little cat, where the rain turns into hats. You and me, we laugh and glide. Sleepy hearts on a magic ride. Striped tail flicking in the dark. Whiskers twitch at every spark. You whisper secrets, soft and slow. Kitty blinks, says yes with a glow. Dreams with my little cat. Close my eyes, we fly like that. Over clouds, so soft, so high. Paws and hands across the sky. Hearts on a magic ride. Pillow mountains, blanket seas. Kitty sails them on your knees. Oh, every yawn and tiny tube, sliding up to the silver moon. Dreams with the sky. Dreams with my little cat. Morning sun will bring us back. Till tonight, remember that we'll meet again. In dreams with my little cat.